Hello everybody. Those of you who follow my channel know that I recently fixed a Samsung 43-inch 4K TV that was manufactured in August of 2019. It's February of 2023, and I found an even newer TV at the junkyard today, sitting there. This was made in November of 2020, and it's a 50-inch 4K smart TV. It looks exactly like a big brother of the 43 that I fixed. The design of the back of the TV is a screwless back and looks exactly like the 43-inch, but just a 50-inch version of it. So first thing I did was I plugged it in, and it works for a while. So now I know why somebody discarded this relatively new TV. Let me show you its symptoms. So as best I can tell, the issue is the intensity flickers up and down. It's very annoying. I don't know if the camera's going to capture it, but the intensity changes up and down. It gets brighter, it gets dimmer, it gets brighter, it gets dimmer. So we'll open it up and see what's going on the inside. There are lots of good videos out there on how to get the back of this set off, as well as how to get the circuit boards out, which are also screwless. So I won't waste your time with that. There will be some links below. There's also a link in the upper right-hand corner here if you want to look at my journey repairing the 43-inch Samsung 4K Smart TV. It's important to note that these spring clips, this is the inside of the TV, are much closer to the edge on this 50-inch than they were on that 43-inch in my previous video. This repair was pretty simple because there just aren't that many things that can be bad in this TV. This is a combination power supply and what I would call main board or LED driver board, but it's all on one board. There's only, I think, the Wi-Fi radio, no other circuit boards that you can replace. So then the only other major components that could be an issue are going to be the backlight or the LED panel itself. I'm surprised how inexpensive this board was. So I have my new board. Always order replacement parts by the part number, not by the TV model number. The part I ordered is a BN 95 651 849A. I'm amazed at how inexpensive this board was. I paid $25.51 delivered on eBay. I get 3% back to my credit card. I get 1% back from Top Cash Back. If you don't have a Top Cash Back account, please use my referral link below. Let me power on the set here.
Whenever there's an abandoned house, typically that means there's potential squatters, there's vandalism. That's our
I've been having trouble getting video posted here because YouTube keeps saying the content is copyrighted. So I will just tell you that it is working perfectly. I'll just show you a portion of the screen. I'm not getting any flashing anymore. It's working great. Those lines that you see are from the camera. They are not from the picture. I think it has to do with the record rate and the refresh rate of the TV. But replacing that board has completely restored this television, and I've kept the TV out of the landfill. I'm going to go buy a remote for it. It'll be about $6 new on eBay, and I'll probably buy some legs for the TV since I will not likely mount this on a wall. And I think the legs on Mercari are around $16 for a pair. That's my video for you today. If you found this video at all helpful or interesting, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.